like I've been saying this, my second DVD, I wanted a germ of an idea where I wanted to involve maximum number of people. You know, people in India don't like gym routines. They don't like to go to gym and they find it very intimidating. So I thought of coming out with an idea that because we love to dance, we are Indians, we dance on every occasion, I decided that I'm going to make a dance workout. And I can just say that, you know, during making of Break Free, we got such tremendous results that I have decided not only just Break Free 1, that is the one which we have released now, I'm going to make a series of DVDs on dance workout. So it's going to be a special parallel track that I'm going to continue following, wherein, you know, you're going to be fit and you're going to have fun. And yeah, it can be done in a group, it can be done alone, it can be done at your time and convenience. So it's going to be just fun, you lose weight, look good, and be happy. The very important thing that when you follow a fitness DVD, we make it for the average population. But what's important is that you take it to your physiotherapist or doctor if you have any kind of ailments, and, you know, get an approval from them, because we don't know the body type of every single person that we are catering to. But it can be done by any healthy individual, a child, right to the age of whatever. You know, people, like I said again and again, in India we dance, there is no age barrier. You know, we have seen like grannies and grandpas rocking it at parties and barats. So it's advisable for everyone. Just a little bit of care and caution that you always have to take when you're working out. That is, if you're tired, take a breather, pause, you know, and then play again. So in that way, it's very effective for everyone. In India, everybody is very intimidated by the term workout. लेकिन dancing जब लोग करते हैं तो बहुत ही बिंदास खुले मन से करते हैं. You know, they are not scared, they are not inhibited. So I thought that because it's a dance workout, I need a name which is going to be very liberating. Just like the experience, like when you do this 30-minute workout, you feel very free. You don't feel shy, you feel like, you know, you have to just give it all. So I came out with this name, Break Free. और मुझे actually मेरी जो philosophy है, love yourself. It's all connected, you know, everything that I want to do in life, in the field of fitness, I want it to connect somewhere. So Break Free is going to be a form of dancing that I'm going to create here further from, this is my first step. I'm going to create many more Break Frees after this. Similarly, like, I'm going to talk about another routine that I'm going to do on another occasion. But the idea is that you need to feel happy doing something. And that's why I'm saying break away from your regulations, rules, the fact that you're shy of your body. आपको लगता है कि आप conscious हो, लोग देख रहे हैं. पर ऐसी अगर जो routine है, जब आप करते हो, you don't feel bad about anything. You know, you will do it with good energy. आज जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा, आप सब आए, and I was so happy that these were basic steps. But you guys all attempted it with like full fun, and you know, nobody was shy. So that's why the routine is called Break Free. For every single human being to remember and respect the fact that you were born and you have a body that you need to respect, because that's the only place you live. If you don't have the body, no matter how much money you have, no matter how many people love you, no matter how much fame you have, nothing's going to matter. So for me, fitness is the biggest investment ever, and this is one thing that I want to keep on spreading forever. देखिए, बहुत सारा support है. I think the entire film fraternity has been very kind towards the passion I keep. मेरे पहले initiative में भी बहुत लोगों ने support किया था. अमित जी से लेके शाहरुख, अजय, अक्षय, everybody had come out, and you know, Priyanka, everybody had been very gracious, and they loved my routine. And definitely in this particular routine also, I have definitely shown it to a lot of the so-called fittest people in the business, and they have said like fabulous things about it. और मैंने सभी अपने you know, fellow co-stars को DVD भेज दिए already.